Hello and welcome back to Wild Animal Behaviour. The Dalmatian pelican is the most massive member of the pelican family and perhaps the world's largest living bird species. The species numbers underwent a dramatic decline during the 20th century. Worldwide, there are an estimated 4,000 breeding pairs left. They require around 1.2 kg of fish per day. Its median weight is around 11.5 kilograms, which makes it perhaps the world's heaviest flying bird species. Did you know that its wingspan can reach up to 3.5 meters? If you like Wild Animal Behavior, please subscribe.